Am I the only one that didn't know screen repairs could be this affordable? If you've got a torn pool cage, keep watching. Here's what you need to know. Most small pool screen repairs run from $50 to $150. Bigger jobs, like multiple panels or frames, can be around $200 to $400. Prices depend on the damage, screen type, and how tricky the job is. At all Screening of SWFL, you get honest quotes and quality work every time. Fixing your screen keeps bugs out, your space cool, and your home looking great. Call all Screening of SWFL today for a free estimate.